BBAI stock, is this the right time to buy? This is for next week and onward. I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 40,000 videos, you know, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. It's taken me a brief 5-year period. So yeah, it's all on my YouTube channel, by the way. No one else done it. BBAI next week, Tuesday onwards, I'm looking to double down and buy. I mean, I don't know about you, mate, but you can see I have just so many previous receipts with BBAI in my Discord, and nothing screams more than I'm still looking to buy as long as I see this confirmation taking place, right? So if my confirmation does not happen here going into Tuesday, then Wednesday, then I'm not going to buy. Monday, it's not going to be happening. It's going to be some type of holiday. So market's going to be closed, and there's obviously not me buying. You know, why the heck would I force? So yes, I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.